Okay, hey everybody. Hi. So we're gonna go look for houses. Houses. And we're gonna go houses. That's my Idaho voice. Houses. Do they talk like that here? And then we're gonna go to duty. Mom, oh my gosh, that's so racist. They don't talk like that here. It's houses. You sure? No, I don't. But we're gonna go to Boise Farmers Market, and then we're gonna go to Meridian and look at houses.
Okay, whatever you say. Houses. I got you.
And it's 43 degrees. We're standing outside. Look at that one out there acting like he's not cold. He's cold.
Oh yeah! Go diddly! Go diddly! Work it, boy! Yeah, you have some Samoan tongue coming out of you.
It's not supposed to be funny, guys.
Oh, go! Yeah! So cool! We're gonna go inside.
Okay, we're gonna be right next to this tree. There we go.
Okay, here we go. Let's do this. Oh, shit. And don't mind me if I fly the ball. Please. Oh my gosh. Hi. Look, Tita.
Oh, I should show you the kids right now where we're at.
Honey, look.
You guys are frozen.
Oh, we're frozen.
Oh, maybe that's...
Okay, wait. I'll call you right back. Wow. Looking for the kids. Hi.
Are you guys here with a party or anything like that?
No.
Just here to have some fun?
Yep, just here. Oh, okay. Rainbow Road to ticket sales. Thank you. Look at this. Okay, call her. I don't know if she found her phone. Try.
Oh my goodness. Okay, this is the rainbow.
She's over there, but that's where the bowling is. So we can check it over there, but let's just go walk around.
Right.
Real quick. Oh, look. Creators of Fun. Oh my goodness. Follow the yellow brick road.
Follow the rainbow road.
Oh, here's the Lasertron. Laser tag. Stargazer Grill. Restrooms. Ticket sales. Oh, that's where. Okay, wait, Mom, I got... Oh geez, thanks babe, rub it in. Hi mom. Hi.
We lit it.
So are we here? Look at this, it's so nice. You imagine us coming
Everything's
here
so
with the
nice
kids
here.
and just hanging out. Go ahead kids, go. We're gonna stay over here. Hi, so we're ready. It's going down. Who's gonna win today?
You already know me, baby.
Oh, okay. Mom, don't rock a puka in the ground now.
I
Don't
know
throw
it.
it.
Just be careful. If my ball go backwards, run.
Look.
How big the screen is, guys. All right, guys. So we out here. We just about to start a game. Obviously, you can see right there. We got Mom going first, Lane, Ash going second for special, and Molly going for third. We already know who Molly is. Got our ball. She's going with the orange. Representing the Denver Broncos here. Let's see what I'm gonna get. We got Mommy still looking for her ball. You going orange too?
I have to get a 10-pounder.
10 pounders. You're gonna go orange too. You're representing the Denver
My
Broncos.
fingers don't fit in the rest.
All right.
I have so late fingers.
Let's see which one I'm gonna do right now. Let's see. Why don't you get out? Guys. Sea Lounge. Check it out. Go. See what's good. Bro, VIP bowling. VIP bowling. It's got the pool tables. All right, this is what we gotta do right here, the VIP style. Look at those 2 huge screens. Neon lights going, private to yourself, VIP style. Lady told me I can look for mobiles in here, but check this out. This is the VIP lounge, I guess. Got the pool tables in the back. Good stuff. Whoa, there it is.
My first one too.
Oh my
Yeah, baby.
There it is. Turn it. All right. Come on. Yeah. Alright, well that's the main thing. It's not if you win or lose. It's if you have fun, right?
I had fun. This is my Idaho voice. It was so much fun. It was great. I love it.
Oh wow, stereotype, huh? Lincoln's ball.
All right, we're gonna go on the laser maze, and that's when we go inside. There's gonna be lasers. We have to try not to get hit by the lasers.
So excited.
We have to like 007 that bad boy. Oh, I'm like video recording.
That's right. Alright, here comes the laser tag people. Oh, somebody got zapped. I see the red light. Somebody got zapped. I'm just gonna run through that whole thing. One speed. I ain't even gonna take my time. I'm just gonna run right straight to that.
Okay, so the objective is you go in and you try not to touch any bullets. So one end is with your glowing hand, and then the other one is with the glowing light. You have to have it at the same time.
They look confused.
And then you guys go to the back out.
They look
No.
Oh my goodness. Where are they? They disappeared. I know, I'm just kidding. They made it.
Okay, your turn. Okay, there we go. Such a doofus.
I won. I did it.
Oh my
Fastest time ever.
God.
Fastest time. Let's do it. That's how you get little boy.
He's so crazy. He's crazy. Okay, let's go wait in line. Okay. For our Lasertron. Now our ultimate laser action game.
Alright guys, pick time.
Now opinions on how LSU is going to upset Alabama. And now, this is now. Give me that tight head.
Oh, disrespectful. Alright, remember that. Remember that.